Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So in this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding to give you a hands-on experience on building real-life projects. So this is weekend 26 and let's get started. So the problem statement says that we have to build a ToastyWeather project. So what is this? This toast is the toast notification. So that alerts users in real time. That is a small pop-up notification. So we want to build a simple app where you can just enter the city and then you can get the weather details of the city, that the temperature, wind speed, etc. of that particular city, whatever you enter. So this project is divided into two parts. So let us see the first part in this video. So here we have a HTML document, a form. So first is the heading saying weather finder, and then we have the class called search box, and there we have to enter the input. So what is the input is the city name. So the placeholder says enter the city name. We enter the city name, followed by a button called search. So when I click on the button search, it starts finding the weather of that particular city. And now we have the second division, that is the weather result, and the class, one class name we have given for that. Now you can see the way the result is being displayed is city name followed by the temperature of that city followed by the wind speed. So these three things are being displayed. Finally, we have one for toast container, that is for notification, which we'll be seeing in the next video. So let me run this program. This is a simple one HTML document video. So you can see this is just the basic UI. I'll click on Mumbai. So I click on search, nothing works because we've not yet added anything and not yet added any API for this. So let me submit the program now. So that's it. The test case if passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.